Hi, my name is Rune Skov. I'm Sales Director for Gryphon Audio Designs. I want to welcome you here to the Hong Kong Audio and Video Show 2023. This is the 20th anniversary of the show, and this year we got something new for you. This is the new EOS 5 speaker. It's brand new. This is the world launch of the speaker. It's a three-way speaker, and it is the big sister to the EOS 2 that we introduced a year ago. We have introduced two new big drivers in this speaker. So we are using two 9.5-inch woofers, one 6.5-inch mid-range, and a 29mm beryllium dome tweeter. What's interesting about the EOS 5 and the EOS 2, of course, is actually the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a thin carbon fiber diaphragm, and on this diaphragm you can actually incorporate three parameters that normally works against each other. It is the thickness, lightness, and damping. So you just built the diaphragm on a computer and you say, okay, I want to have a little bit of damping here, I want to have a little bit of lightness here, I want to have stiffness here, and then you can build the diaphragm from your own wishes. So that's new. And then of course we have this particular ring, which is an impulse response ring on the driver. We are the only one to use it. You lower the Q of the driver slightly, but it also allows you to have a much better bass response, and it goes much deeper. So we're actually forcing the driver to go a lot deeper. So that's the EOS 5, which will retail for 42,800 euros plus VAT, depending on the area. If you walk with me, over here we have the EOS 2. So the EOS 2, that was the first speaker in the new EOS range. And yes, there will be more speakers to come. So it's a small two-way, and in this model we are actually using a much larger beryllium dome tweeter. It's 34mm beryllium dome, together with 7.5-inch mid-range bass driver. Same type of topology and technology as we are using in the new EOS 5. And it's a whole new approach from Gryphon. It's actually the first time ever that we're using a beryllium dome tweeter. Normally we've been using a lot of air motion tweeters. We have also been using different type of soft dome tweeters. But for the first time we have introduced this. So yeah, that's a little bit about the EOS 2. We have also taken different kind of material into use, because normally we are not working with compact laminate, which is hot compressed paper. But in this speaker we do. So several parts of the speakers we have replaced aluminium with compact laminate. So yeah, a whole new approach to the way of designing speakers at Gryphon. And EOS, you know, if you look into the dictionary, you'll find out that it's about having a fresh wind of the day, it's a new dawn, and so on. So that's why we use that name. So yeah, that was it here from Hong Kong at the Convention Center. Like I said, my name is Rune, and that was it.